let's fly away. If you can.
Bond. James Bond.
So I'll tell you a little bit about these volcanoes. The one on our left is Kohala. Kohala is the only extinct volcano on the island. It should never erupt again. The nice thing about it being old and extinct, it's had a lot of time for Mother Nature to carve out some pretty amazing valleys. That's where all the big waterfalls are. And that's where we're going to finish up our flight too. So usually it's my favorite part. Straight ahead is Mauna Kea, which is the tallest in Hawaii. 13,796 feet at the summit. It's a dormant volcano, hasn't erupted for an estimated 4,600 years. But it should erupt again someday. And you can see, if you look carefully at the summit, there's a bunch of observatories. So Mauna Kea is one of two best places in the world to put a telescope. So straight ahead, that's our destination. It's a pu'u, and its name is Pu'u'o'o. Everybody calls it the Pu'u'o'o vent, and it's the star of the show. It's where the eruption started in 1983. But prior to 1983, that pu'u didn't exist. The ground was flat, it was all rainforest. So the whole thing is new as of this eruption. In many cases, the lava came out and went to the right, down to the ocean, like what Sandra got to see. And it just hasn't done it for a while. You know, it hasn't been going out that way. Instead, this most recent lava flows have been going out over to the east, kind of on the far side and out that way. And we'll go see if we can find it. Site. Watch down in this hole on the right side. You see that? The lava splashing down in there. That's where we've been seeing it mostly, is in that separate hole. Come back around again. Watch carefully in that deep hole to the right side, under the smoke. There it is.
That is awesome.
Did you see it splashing?
Oh yeah.
let's look in that hole one more time. Here it comes. Right there. I've never seen a helicopter down there though. So this whole side of the island used to be covered almost entirely with sugarcane fields. Although today we don't have any sugarcane left, it's pretty much all gone. And what happened, originally the farmers had been importing their workers from other parts of the world, and they did that because it was less expensive labor. Hawaii became a state in 1959, which meant some new laws like minimum wage, some other labor laws. Things became more expensive, and over time that's what put them out of business. So by the mid-1990s, the sugarcane was totally gone from this island. Although we do still have one sugar plantation operating on Maui. As far as I know, it's the only one left though. So around the corner on the left is Waimanu Valley. It's my favorite. Actually, Waimanu is my favorite part of the entire island. We're going to go inside this one and look around. So welcome to Waimanu. Welcome to Kohala. By Ilikahi Falls, right in front of us now, 1,500 feet tall. Basically, it's as tall as the Empire State Building. Directly ahead is the keyhole. Keyhole is 2,600 feet top to bottom. The waterfalls inside are called Waihilau. They're the tallest on the island and the 13th tallest in the world, basically half a mile. Also on our right side is Lahomene Falls. As we've come up over Kohala, this is where everything changes once again, kind of abruptly. Rainforest back to the desert. And welcome back to the dry side of the island.
I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, watch them grow, they'll learn much more than I never knew. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful